How to unlike all photos on Instagram at once. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna let you know the ways to unlike all photos or all posts on Instagram at once. So for that case, go ahead and log in into your Instagram account. When you're logged in, that's gonna take you to the home page, which is gonna look something like this. So while you're on this page, go to your profile from the bottom right hand side corner, and it's gonna take you to the profile page. So tap the try bar icon or the menu bar, and next thing you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So go to your activity. Once you're on your activity, you need to scroll down a bit, go to likes. Once you press the likes button, then you'll be able to see this sort of interface, like the post that you've actually liked. So you can just go ahead and filter it out by selecting newest to oldest or oldest to newest, whichever. And then in order to unlike it all, you just have to go ahead and press the select button, and you could just go ahead and select the pictures that you wish to, select the post or content that you wish to unlike. So just like this, you could just go ahead and select that, and from here you could also filter it out, and then you could just press on unlike. So go ahead and press the unlike button, and you've successfully unliked all photos on Instagram at once. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.